is nothing more than a complex computer simulation. How would you know? What kind of technology could make this simulation possible? And how could you break out of the matrix? This is What If, and here's what would happen if you were living in a simulation. This is what the very first computer games looked like. And this is what they've come to look like after some 50 years of technological progress. Today, it only takes a virtual reality headset to jump into a computer-simulated realm. Our future computers may be able to generate entire simulated universes. And if we humans were able to simulate complex realities, how could we ever be sure that our own world wasn't just a computer simulation designed by another, more advanced civilization? Everything in the world we live in seems to be based on mathematical laws. Even our genetic code has a mathematical model. Just like if someone had programmed our reality with a computer code. See where I'm going with this? We may be living in a giant video game without realizing it. But who designed this matrix? An advanced alien civilization? Maybe not aliens, but a future iteration of humanity simulating the lives of their ancestors, which would make you a living memory of someone else's great-great-great-grandmother. This future humanity would require extremely powerful supercomputers to run the simulation down to the subatomic level, much more powerful than the most advanced supercomputer we could imagine. If we ever got to this level of technological advancement and started running computer simulations of our own, that would be very strong evidence that our reality was also simulated. A simulation creating their own simulation. Chances are, our creators would turn out to be someone else's simulation. In the many simulations from the original reality on down, each subsequent simulation would turn out less and less advanced. They just wouldn't be able to match their creators in advancing their technologies. If your life was a simulation, you wouldn't know, just like there's no proof that you're not living in a simulation, but you could try looking for the glitches. If our world was some computer code, it could have software bugs. Every now and then, when our simulators decided to roll an update, something could slip sideways. It could be a glitch like meeting your doppelganger, someone who looks like you but isn't related to you. It might just be a mix-up in character appearance preferences. If we ever found out that we were a program on someone's hard drive, it could be because that someone wanted us to. In that case, escaping the simulation would be, well, simulated. We'd just end up on another level of the matrix. Maybe discovering the identity of our creators would make them reboot the system. A big Control-Alt-Delete for the entire universe. Reality may not be a quantum computer simulation, but if it is, would it change anything in your day-to-day life? Maybe one day we'll discover that we live in the multiverse. But that's a story for another.